Well, Warriors in good position. 29 after 3 overs, but there might be some additional problems for Bulldozers because Dhruva was hobbling in the field. He's one of their main bowlers. So they might be a bowler short, or he might have to bowl off a shorter run. So things looking well and up for the Warriors. A bowling change from the pavilion end. Rajiv, who was very expensive in his first over, has been replaced by Karthik. He's coming off a longish run.
These two are the young guns of Telugu Warriors. They run hard, they're so fit, and they ran the second one quite easily. So this partnership doing quite well for Telugu Warriors. Gets onto the back foot quickly. And there were fielders stationed there, Bhaskar at short point in a catching position. And this time it clips it off his toes, off his pads. Another single. So they're getting boundaries interspersed with these singles and doubles. So this is good cricket here by Telugu Warriors.
And with Bhaskar also struggling, I think Bhaskar is a capable off spinner. So you have not one but two bowlers who are struggling on the field. Well, getting too ambitious on that occasion. Beautifully caught. That can be the Carbon Kamal catch. Vishwa trying to go over the top, trying to go over mid-off. Didn't really manage to get onto it. And Karthik diving in front to complete a fantastic catch.
This is good effort from Karthik. He had to run in hard, which he did that quite well. Then he dived in front and he took that brilliant catch. So 32 for 1. Vishwa goes back after scoring 19.
Well, the brilliant effort was from Abhimanyu, not from Karthik. Karthik was the bowler. Don't really want to deny anything to the fielder who picked up such a stunning catch. Prabhu replacing Vishwa. Prabhu, another capable batsman. Very steady in his approach.
Loud appeal. Yes, and he's got him. So 2 wickets in this over of Karthik has turned the game on its head. Such a brilliant over from Karthik. First he got rid of Vishwal and then Adarsh. So both the openers are back in the hut now, trying to play on the onside, on the leg side. Got far too across, exposed the stumps, was hit on the pads, and the umpire had no hesitation in declaring him out. So it's 32 for 2. Others goes back after scoring 7.
Well, Tarun replacing Adarsh was looking very good, I must say. But then he walked far too across and got leg before. Tarun, another impressive talent of Telugu Warriors. Youngster, short-statured, looks to hit the ball well. It'll be interesting to see how he negotiates the spell of Karthik, who is on a roll. Well, he goes over the top. Over point for a boundary. That's how he knows to play his cricket. Knows to be aggressive. And he gets off the mark with a boundary. It's 36 for 2 after 4.